happy weekend. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. And again, I hope you all are having just the best weekend. Don't forget, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. And we have a new subscription. As you can see from the title down below, we have Bohemia box. And this, I believe, is actually also a fairly new subscription in itself. It is a jewelry subscription. So I'm going to read a little bit to you about it to tell you what's going on, since it is the first time on our channel. And then we will get to unboxing. So it is Bohemia box from Rayo Supply Company. They do have plans as low as $20 a month if you go ahead and prepay for 3 months, 6 months. Obviously, it'll lower the price to $20. It does actually start monthly at $24. It does have free shipping. There is a promo code on their website or on Cratejoy, so I'll link it down below so you can actually save a little bit on your first box. It's inspired by the Caribbean lifestyle and Bohemian lifestyle, and you could receive a pair of handmade earrings, a bracelet, or a necklace each month, always made with natural materials and handmade. And they are made in the USA, which is awesome. And they give you the choice, and this is, I honestly think, the first time I have ever seen a subscription do this when it comes to jewelry. They give you the choice, obviously, if you have any type of allergies, but they also give you the choice if you want to select vegan jewelry or not. I think that is really awesome because I know some people don't necessarily want to have jewelry that, you know, may have certain products or something. So I think that extra option is very unique, and I really, really like that touch. So let's get in here. Like I said, it is $24 a month. You can get it as low as $20, free shipping, and you will receive the one pair of earrings or a bracelet or a necklace each month, all handmade. So that, I think, is fantastic. And obviously it's going to be like the boho style, which is always fun. So let's get in here and see what we got for July 2019. So again, it came in this like super fun like tie-dye mailer, and obviously I just took it out because it makes it easier to show you guys the box. But here is their logo, and handmade in the USA, Rayo Supply Company, Bohemia box. So this says Bohemia box number 2, Festival Flow, featuring Job's, I don't know if it's Jobs or Job's, tear seeds, coconut shell, bamboo, sustainably harvested jewel beetle elytra wings, leather remnants from the Garment District NYC. Move with the music and hear your spirit's voice. And then we have a little thing right here. Purchase with a purpose. Purchase with a purpose. We pay all of our employees at least $15 per hour. We use natural materials and as little plastic as possible. We upcycle materials, including packaging, as often as possible, except when to do so affects the integrity of our product. Thank you for supporting businesses that support the planet and its people. Additionally, here is 15% off any purchase in our company Etsy store. Also, they have an Etsy store. It is Rayo Supply Co. So rayosupplico.etsy.com. And the code is Let's Go. That will save you 15%, and it is actually valid through June of next year. That is awesome. Okay. And then we have this piece of paper, Bohemia box. This month's materials story, jewel beetle elytra wings. In Thailand, jewel beetles are farmed for food. They are grown inside of tree trunks and stumps, and when they are ready to lay eggs. They leave their wooden homes. Very quickly after doing so, they die and are harvested for food. And their beautiful elytra, I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, I apologize, wings are harvested for jewelry and craft makers. We love this story, and we also love supporting sustainable craft suppliers. We would like to thank Kamonmat Tiprat for these particular wings. You can find her store on Etsy at littlewingsmagic.etsy.com. And again, I will put a link to the Bohemia box site on Cratejoy down below if you would like to go check them out. So this is what I see in the box. So our earrings must be wrapped up in here. So let's see what they look like. Oh, now these are pretty. They're different than anything like that, anything I've seen or have, but they are really pretty. These must be the wings, and it looks like they've painted them, and they almost have that like mermaid, because it's like the one way they look blue, one way they look green or purple, but you can see the beads there. These are definitely unique. This is not something I would ever expect to find in a store. So that is for sure there. But they are very cute. And like I said, so unique and different. I do love the purpose behind the subscription and the company, and that they give back, and you know, fair wages and this, and it just everything, you know, being sustainable and recycling and repurposing. I really do love that, and I think that they make some very, very unique jewelry. Like I said, this is definitely not something you would go to a store and find. You know it is handmade, you know it was made with love, and I can really, really appreciate that. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think down below. But these are our earrings for July 2019. Again, I think they are super fun and unique and pretty. And like I said, you can tell they're handmade and made with love. I can appreciate that so, so much. So like I said, please leave your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. Also, how your day is going, how your weekend is going. And again, don't forget about that 4,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will also be down below. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your weekend, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.